ChatGPT is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence application designed for language processing created by OpenAI. Known as Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, ChatGPT, this AI tool is built to comprehend and generate human-like text responses based on the input it receives. Serving as both a chatbot and a virtual assistant, ChatGPT was initially launched on November 30, 2022. The ownership of ChatGPT belongs to OpenAI, an AI research organization established in 2015. OpenAI was founded by a group of notable tech figures, including Sam Altman, Elon Musk, Peter Thiel, Ilya Sutskever, Jessica Livingston, Reid Hoffman, Greg Brockman, Wojciech Zaremba, and John Schulman. OpenAI was originally founded as a non-profit organization, but later transitioned to a limited profit model. This approach restricts the amount of profit that investors can earn, with any excess being directed towards supporting OpenAI's mission. The organization's goal is to advance artificial intelligence for the greater good of humanity. ChatGPT, a conversational AI application developed by OpenAI, is based on the GPT-4, GPT-4o, and GPT-4o mini models. These models have been refined through human feedback using two primary learning techniques: supervised learning. Human trainers acted as both users and AI assistants to enhance the model's performance. Reinforcement learning, RLHF. In this phase, trainers ranked the model's responses from past interactions to create reward models, which were used to improve the model through iterative optimization. ChatGPT finds application in various areas. Customer service. Offers round-the-clock automated responses to customer inquiries. Training. Assists in education by explaining complex concepts and solving practical problems. Health. Conducts preliminary assessments and supports administrative tasks. Creative industries aids writers and artists in generating ideas and content. The DeepBrain AI platform has enhanced video content creation by utilizing ChatGPT's text generation capabilities. Users can enter a topic and choose a template, and ChatGPT will automatically produce a script for the video. Initially, ChatGPT relied on Microsoft Azure's supercomputing infrastructure, which was powered by NVIDIA GPUs at a reported cost of hundreds of millions of dollars. In 2023, Microsoft updated this infrastructure significantly. Additionally, research indicates that running ChatGPT requires approximately 500 milliliters of water, and around 30,000 NVIDIA GPUs were used in 2023. OpenAI continues to refine its service by gathering user feedback and voting on responses. Workforce replacement. While ChatGPT can automate certain tasks, it does not replace human creativity and empathy. By handling repetitive tasks, it allows people to focus on more complex and rewarding work. Bias and safety. OpenAI acknowledges that AI models can reflect biases present in their training data. The organization is actively working to address safety and fairness concerns. Misuse prevention. Powerful technologies are vulnerable to misuse. OpenAI has established policies to prevent such misuse and collaborates with other organizations to promote responsible AI use. Although ChatGPT's primary function is to simulate human conversation, it is also versatile. It can write and debug code, compose music and stories, answer test questions, generate business ideas, create poetry and lyrics, translate and summarize text, emulate a Linux system, simulate chat rooms, play games, and even mimic an ATM. Improvements. Over InstructGPT. Compared to its predecessor InstructGPT, ChatGPT aims to reduce harmful and misleading responses. For example, instead of accepting a false premise as true, ChatGPT frames answers based on accurate information and contemporary perspectives. Memory and filtering. ChatGPT can remember a limited number of previous prompts within the same conversation. Some suggest this could allow ChatGPT to function as a personalized therapist. To avoid offensive outputs, Queries are filtered through OpenAI's Moderation Endpoint API, plugins, and updates. In March 2023, OpenAI introduced support for plugins in ChatGPT, including both OpenAI's own plugins, such as web browsing and code interpretation, and external plugins from developers like Expedia, OpenTable, Zapier, Shopify, Slack, and Wolfram. Limitations. OpenAI recognizes that ChatGPT can sometimes generate plausible but incorrect or nonsensical answers, a phenomenon known as hallucination. The model's reward system can also be over-optimized, leading to performance issues. Knowledge cutoff. As of May 2024, GPT-4's knowledge extends to events up to December 2023. While GPT-4o's knowledge is current up to October 2023. Paid subscriptions allow ChatGPT to access real-time web data. Generations of GPT models. GPT-1, the inaugural model GPT-1, with 117 million parameters, set the foundation for AI in language tasks by demonstrating early human-like text generation capabilities. It marked the beginning of AI's transformative potential in language processing. GPT-2, the second iteration, GPT-2, boasted 1.5 billion parameters, significantly enhancing the model's ability to generate coherent and contextually accurate text. This version represented a significant leap in AI's language understanding and generation abilities. GPT-3, featuring 175 billion parameters, revolutionized AI with its profound ability to handle complex language tasks. It demonstrated a deep understanding of context and nuance, showing impressive performance in tasks ranging from summarization to creative content generation. GPT-4. The forthcoming GPT-4 is anticipated to exceed the capabilities of its predecessors in both scale and sophistication. Although specific details about GPT-4's architecture are not yet disclosed, it is expected to further advance creative text generation and problem-solving abilities in AI. Impact and development. ChatGPT has made a significant impact in artificial intelligence, quickly gaining investment and a large user base. By January 2023, it was the fastest-growing consumer software application, raising OpenAI's valuation to $86 billion. Following ChatGPT's launch, several competing products emerged, including Google Bard, Gemini, Claude, Llama, and Grok. Microsoft introduced Copilot, a product based on ChatGPT, and in June 2024 announced a partnership with Apple Inc. to integrate ChatGPT into Apple's intelligence feature for its operating systems. Initially available as a free research preview, ChatGPT transitioned to a freemium model as it grew in popularity. The free version provides access to GPT-4o, while Plus, Team, and Enterprise subscriptions offer additional features and extended usage limits. Although Elon Musk was a founding member of OpenAI, he departed from the organization in 2018 and is no longer involved in its governance. ChatGPT is recognized as a pioneering force in AI technology thanks to its advanced language processing capabilities and widespread popularity. This success has intensified competition in AI from both major tech companies and startups. Major shareholders of OpenAI Microsoft investment. Microsoft first invested in OpenAI in 2019 and has committed an estimated $13 billion as of early 2023, including a notable $10 billion investment in early 2023. Ownership. While Microsoft does not officially own a stake in OpenAI, its investment effectively makes it the largest shareholder. Microsoft receives 75% of the profits until its $10 billion investment is recouped, and 49% of profits thereafter, up to a certain limit. Reid Hoffman. Investment. Reid Hoffman, co-founder of LinkedIn, was part of the initial $1 billion funding round for OpenAI and served on the board until November 2023. Peter Thiel investment. Peter Thiel was an early investor in OpenAI's $1 billion funding round. Known for his influence in Silicon Valley, Thiel has also mentored OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. Elon Musk. Investment. As a co-founder and early supporter of OpenAI, Elon Musk invested nearly $45 million. He left the organization in 2018 due to disagreements over its shift to a for-profit model and no longer holds a formal stake. Y Combinator investment. Y Combinator, OpenAI's first institutional investor, invested in 2016. Sam Altman, OpenAI's CEO, was previously the CEO of Y Combinator. Khosla Ventures investment. Khosla Ventures invested $50 million in OpenAI in 2019, acquiring a 5% stake. This investment has significantly appreciated. Tiger Global investment. Tiger Global made its initial investment in OpenAI in 2021, participating in a funding round with other venture capital firms. Andreessen Horowitz. Investment. Andreessen Horowitz joined OpenAI's funding round in April 2023, known for its major investments in AI technology. Sequoia Capital investment. Sequoia Capital first invested in OpenAI in 2021 and has been heavily focused on AI investments. Board of Directors Brett Taylor Roll, Chair of the Board. Former co-CEO of Salesforce, Taylor was appointed chair after Sam Altman's brief removal in November 2023. Larry Summers Roll, Board Member. Former U.S. Treasury Secretary and Harvard University President, joined the board following changes in November 2023. Adam D'Angelo, role, board member since 2018. Co-founder of Quora and former Instagram advisor, involved in the board's decision to oust Altman. Sue Desmond-Hellman role, board member. Former CEO of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, joined in March 2024. Nicole Seligman, role, board member. Former EVP of Sony and board member of various organizations, joined in March 2024. Fiji Simo role, board member. CEO of Instacart and former Facebook executive, joined in March 2024. Sam Altman. Role. Altman has been OpenAI's CEO since May 2019, leading significant changes and partnerships, including with Microsoft.